Mommy,
Mm.
I want to see that.
You want to sit down? I'm doing a video. Please, my
Let
son.
me see my face.
Hi, say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, please go inside and do your homework, please. I beg you.
Please, should I sit down here?
Will you make noise?
No.
Okay. I want to try this Leatty Beauty in red. The shade is 01 Badass. Yes. So this is Leatty Beauty, right? He's going mad almost immediately. Like, see my teeth. If you want to have white teeth, then just rub red lipstick. No need to go to the dentist. White teeth, with your red lipstick. Yay, Leatty Beauty in red. It's not transferring. Watch. See the cup. See the cup. See the cup. Let me drink more water. Can you see the cup? You need to buy Leatty. Oh, badass, guys. It is really badass. The name fits the lipstick. My name is Fuma Fit Me and Leatty Beauty. This is a bomb. As I know, so I want to clean my Leatty Beauty lipstick. Let's see if it will clean easily for us. This is one of this. Oh boy. This lipstick. Okay, because it will not clean like that, I'll have to guess maybe like a lip balm to put on it so that I can clean easily. That's the trick. Can you see it? So you don't peel your lips because you want to clean a matte lipstick. Can you see? The lipstick is proving difficult to come out. This Leatty Beauty is more than mine too. The shade is 01 Badass. See? The lipstick is long lasting.